Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your data plan allows tethering and that mobile data is active. Carriers often restrict hotspots. Next, enable location and background data permissions because some systems require them for scanning and routing. Restart both the phone and the client device to clear transient faults. Once done, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to reset radios. Make sure Bluetooth or Wi-Fi scanning isn't disabled. Those services assist discovery. Now you're ready to move to deeper network settings. You now dive into configuration. Open hotspot settings and set a clear SSID plus a WPA2 or WPA3 password. Avoid special characters that break some clients. Change the Wi-Fi band, 5 GHz for speed to 4 GHz for range. If interference persists, pick a specific channel instead of auto. Verify DHCP is providing addresses and the pool isn't exhausted. Set max connections to 4 to 8 devices for reliability. Once configured, you finish by testing with 2 different client devices and running a simple speed test. Check DNS resolution and ping a reliable host. If problems remain, reset network settings on the phone to clear corrupt configurations and install any OS or carrier setting updates. Those often fix modem bugs. As a key troubleshooting tip, enable hotspot logs in developer options or boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is blocking tethering. If successful, reconfigure any custom tweaks you need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.